Welcome to episode 1 of the Hilux build series. Today we are heading to RockShockers in Paarl, where they will be fitting the EFS Xtreme Suspension paired with the EFS Parabolic leaf springs, and later on we show you how we fit the EFS Xcape front bar as well. So I've had the EFS suspension on my previous vehicle, which was a Prado 120, for about 6 years, and I was very happy with them. It was a no-brainer for me to go for EFS again, especially paired with the parabolic leaves. So parabolic leaf springs works in the sense of it's much less springs in the pack. They are shaped in a way that the middle part is thicker and it's tapered towards the ends. It also, basically, if the vehicle is unladen, all these springs won't touch each other, they will only touch the middle part. And as you start loading the vehicle, the rest of the leaf would jump into action and the other parts would start touching each other. All of this helps for a much smoother ride, I would say much better handling overall as well, and better off-road performance and better wheel articulation. we are done. I must say it gives a unique look to the vehicle, completely different to the standard bumper. And it was time to go do some exploring and testing the suspension and the bumper and what this vehicle can do with a few little tweaks.